Welcome to our guide on joining FanDuel tournaments. Let's explore how you can enter, set your lineups, and win big in 2025. First things first, let's create your FanDuel account. Head over to the FanDuel website and click on the Sign Up button. Here's how you do it. There are various types of tournaments available. From daily fantasy to multi-entry contests, choose the right one for your strategy. To enter a tournament, make your initial deposit and buy in. It's that easy. Here's how to make sure everything is set. Setting your lineup is crucial. Tip: look for players' recent performances and matchups to boost your chances. Understanding how points work is key. Familiarize yourself with FanDuel's scoring system to maximize your strategy. Managing your bankroll wisely can make a big difference. Here are strategies for smart betting. Competing against others is part of the thrill. Let's look at how tournament structures and prizes work. Use the tracking features to monitor your team's performance in real time. Stay informed and adjust as needed. There you have it. Join the FanDuel action and make your mark in the tournaments. Good luck and happy playing.